Ready for sun, sand, and relaxation? Don't let old, thin towels ruin your fun. We're diving into a fantastic find that's perfect for beach lovers, travelers, families, and anyone looking for great value. Meet the Utopia Towels 4-pack Cabana Stripe Beach Towels. This set gives you 4 generously sized towels ready for all your adventures. They bring classic style and practicality wherever you go. Utopia Towels is known for quality home textiles. This set is a popular choice, loved by thousands for its blend of comfort and affordability. It's a smart buy for stocking up. Each towel measures a substantial 30 by 60 inches. This oversized design provides plenty of coverage for lounging by the pool or wrapping up after a swim. They are great for both kids and adults. Woven with 100% ring-spun cotton, these towels offer a soft and delicate touch. They feel comfortable against your skin, enhancing your post-swim experience. These towels are designed to be highly absorbent. They quickly soak up moisture, getting you dry in no time. This is essential for busy beach days or quick dips in the pool. Despite their absorbency, they are also lightweight. This makes them easy to carry in your beach bag or suitcase. They also dry relatively quickly compared to heavier towels. The timeless Cabana Stripe pattern adds a touch of classic beach charm. It's a look that never goes out of style. This particular pack comes in a fun variety of colors: blue, yellow, green, and orange. There are also other color options available to suit your personal taste. Utopia towels are built to last. They are designed for durability, holding up well to repeated use and washing. Caring for them is simple. Machine wash in warm water with delicate detergent. Tumble dry on low heat and remove immediately. A little tip: avoid using cosmetics or creams directly on the towels to prevent discoloration. Proper care helps maintain their vibrant look and feel. Getting a pack of 4 high-quality towels at this price point is fantastic value. It's perfect for families needing multiple towels or for anyone wanting spares. With a 4.3-star rating from over 15,000 reviews, customers agree these towels deliver. Many praise their size, softness, and absorbency for the price. While some mention initial lint or varying thickness, the overwhelming sentiment is positive. People love the value and performance for everyday use. These aren't just for the beach. Use them as pool towels, bath towels, or even for travel. Their size and absorbency make them versatile for many situations. They are lightweight enough to pack easily for vacations. Take them on cruises, camping trips, or to the local water park. It's great to know these towels are OECO-TEX Standard 100 certified. This means they are tested for harmful substances. They are made with chemicals safer for human health and the environment. You can feel good about using them for your family. If you're planning beach trips, pool days, or just need fresh, absorbent towels, the Utopia Towels 4-pack Cabana Stripe set is a brilliant choice. They offer size, softness, absorbency, and classic style at an unbeatable value. Click the link in the description below to check out these Utopia towels on Amazon. Grab your set today and get ready to soak up the sun and comfort in style. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great product reviews.